Hi, I'm Heather Bertinetti with ehow.com. Today I'm going to show you how to whip cream. Whipped cream may seem like the simplest of things, but sometimes people tend to mess it up. When I'm making whipped cream, I like to use an electric KitchenAid mixer. If not, you can use a hand blender as well. Remember that whatever the amount of cream that you pour into the bowl, it should always be chilled, and it'll always double in size when you're completed whipping it. So if you start with 1/4 of a quart of cream, you'll end up with 1/2 quart of whipped cream. So I put it on medium speed. When adding sugar to whipped cream, do not use granulated sugar. You want to use 10x sugar. This meaning that the grain of granulated sugar is way too coarse and you'll feel it in your mouth when you eat the whipped cream. So we always use 10x sugar because it's granulated down finer. I'm using about 1/2 cup. I always put vanilla extract in my whipped cream. I just think it gives it a better background taste. It's just delicious. I just do a little dab of it. There's no need to measure out vanilla. Remember, you can't go wrong with whipped cream. It's all based on your taste, how sweet you want it or how much vanilla you'd like in it. So now that the cream is whipped, this is exactly what it should look like. Creamy and smooth, and it should adhere to the whip. This happens to a lot of people, and it's quite common. Some people, they're baking and they're cooking other things, and they leave it on the machine, and they turn around, and then they come back, and it's, oh no, my whipped cream is over whipped. I'm going to show you a quick tip of how to save it without throwing out the entire batch of whipped cream. Stick it back on the mixer, and we're going to purposely over whip this. So this is what over-whipped whipped cream looks like. It separates and it's slightly grainy. If you take whipped cream too far, eventually it'll turn into butter. So if you're lucky enough to catch it, to save it, do not whip it anymore. The more air you incorporate into it and the more you whip it, it'll just keep separating. So my trick is with a spatula and some cold, regular, heavy cream. We're gonna add a little bit at a time until it comes together and it's a smooth, homogeneous mass. So now instead of whipping, if you notice, I'm stirring. And with just a little bit of cold cream, comes back. I'm Heather Bertinetti for ehow.com, and this is the way you whip cream.